There you guys are. I was looking for you for a second there. Couldn't find you guys. So you guys are in the market to buy some affordable but high quality mirrors for when you take the doors off of your Jeep Wrangler, either Sport, Unlimited, Rubicon, whatever. You're just looking for some nice mirrors to run on your Jeep Wrangler. Well, I think I have a pair that might work for you. Let's go check these things out. Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Jeffrey. We do videos on my 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited and the Hyundai Veloster N on the channel. So if you're interested in any of that type of content, check out my channel. But we're jumping right into the meat and bones of the video today. We're going to be doing a quick review on these mirrors on the Jeep, which is kind of funny. I haven't actually taken the doors off of my Jeep JL, like literally the entire time I've had it. I used to take the doors off of my older Jeep, my JK. I used to take the doors off of that thing all the time back when I lived on the East Coast in Buffalo. But I never had actually any mirrors like to run it. But since I've been here inside LA, I literally never had mirrors, so I never took the doors off because of, I don't know, I don't want to drive around inside the city of LA without mirrors on, just because, well, A, it's illegal, but two, because, you know, you want to be able to see literally the cars on the side of you. But in today's video, we're going to be installing some mirrors on the Jeep, so I'm really excited. So let's go check out what these mirrors look like. So here goes the mirrors. Nothing too crazy, but alright, so as you guys can see, these things are huge, and there you go, you can see me in the reflection. But these things are absolutely huge, which is really nice. It's like they have the thing and the other hardware to hook them all up. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to be installing these on the Jeep. So I'm going to take the doors off real quick, and then we're going to be putting these on. I want to see how this looks with the Jeep, and I'll do a quick comparison to see of what the stock mirrors look like, but then when you take the doors off, I want to see how well you can see with them off. So that, I think that would be really cool, so you guys can see the real difference in that. Oh yeah, and also guys, if you guys are interested, I actually found this on Amazon. It is the kit to take the doors off of a Jeep JL, which my Jeep did not come with it because I bought mine pre-owned, so like the previous owner, it just wasn't inside my vehicle. So I just bought like a cheap kit off of Amazon. I think it was like less than $10. I'll have this link down below. If you're interested, you can check it out as well. And I'll also have these exact mirrors linked down below as well. So if you want to check that out, you can check out the description of this video. So let's go do this thing real quick. Alright, just to give you guys a quick perspective, this is what the mirror looks like just the stock ones on your actual Jeep. So you can see just me from the driver's position, this is what I can see. Go over to this one real quick, you can see this is what it looks like as well. I'm inside the parking spot, you can see the car right there. I pulled out slightly so I can have room to like take the doors off. And you can see the Veloster, which is right there. If you peek over, you can see it's right there. So this is like what you can see with the stock mirrors. Just kind of perspective. Okay, first things first, remove the door using this kit. I'm gonna do the passenger side, so that's the first thing I'm gonna do. You can tell it's been a minute since I took the doors off. I forgot to roll the window down first, so I had to plug it back up to roll the window down. Literally, I haven't done this in a couple years. Let's finish taking the door off. It's not that difficult. You literally take this guy right here, goes through there. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So it's very simple actually. This metal bracket gets attached down there. This kit does come with the washers and all the hardware that you will need. You will need still, I used the same size bit for this one, and then this was I believe this is an 18 millimeter to tighten this guy in the back, and then you will need just some other like little bits to just tighten this up. But this is what it looks like. It's a pretty unique, quick little setup. You can adjust it as well. By the rear, you can adjust it. I just threw this on. Let's see how it looks when I actually get inside the driver's seat. You should note it is lower though than the stock ones, because obviously it's being held onto the door hinge. But let's see how it looks. I'm in the driver's seat. This is this one. Looking over, you can see this one right there. So I can still see the car. I can adjust it more, but just to give you a quick like outline of what it looks like. They have them on here. I can still see the vehicle, but just have this much more airier look. Okay guys, so just like that, I put everything back to the way it was. I was gonna take both doors off, but I have to actually go somewhere in a minute, and I don't want to drive with the doors off, at least not today. So you'll see in like other videos when I have the doors off and everything like that, what it kind of like looks like. But I wanted to show you guys the quick install video of these QMParts doors off mirrors. Now I do want to say this video was not sponsored. I did get these products free from QMParts, so if you want, you can go check out the link down below. I have it linked down below. But on my channel, I do not do videos with companies if I do not actually think that the parts are worth it, which I was filming another video for another product, and after looking at the product more and more, I was like, this doesn't seem like it's a good video, and like I didn't like the product, so I never released that video. So I want to let you guys know I'm trying to be as unbiased as I can be, but I do want to let you guys know the parts that I did receive were from them. But if you want, you can check that out. I will also have, like I said before, the replacement kit for taking off the doors. That will be linked down below as well, because mine didn't come with it, because the previous owner just took it with them. I don't know why they took it with them. But anyways, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's a quick install, doesn't take that long, and honestly, like, I'm excited now I have the option to take the doors off the Jeep more and more, because I used to love doing that. I used to do that all the time, but I never had any mirrors back in my old JK. Now that I have the JL, you better believe I'm going to be taking the doors off this thing a lot. So if you like this video, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as YouTube channel. Go to the website, geekswithcars.com. Like that. We're out of here. See you guys in the next video. See ya.